This is a 1965 Ford Thunderbird Special Landau Edition. All the gauge works, oil pressure gauge works, fuel gauge, temp gauge, amp gauge. Wipers work. The washers work. Washer squirters. Turn signals on the hood work. Both sides. It's got an AM/FM Thunderbird cassette radio. Horn, tilt-away steering wheel, all the exterior lights work. It has the Emberglo and parchment interior, and it's in beautiful condition. Pretty much original except for the front seats. It's got the parchment console, Emberglo carpet, and the special walnut wood grain. It does have power seats and power windows, and they all work. It's got the 390 4-barrel 300 horsepower engine, C6 automatic transmission. It has power disc brakes, and the brakes don't pull left or right, they stop nice and straight. Speedometer works. Transmission shifts good, and the steering is perfect on it. No pull left, right. Trails down the road real nice.